That's gone. Boom! Called it.
What a douchebag. Look at this kid.
Oh, whew. Bro, I almost hit those people. I think it's time to call it a day with throwing. Bang, bang, Guapo gang. Back with another video, man. Yay! In today's video, I cannot be too loud right now because it is currently 5:45 a.m. and everyone else in the house is sleeping, so I'm not trying to wake them up. But basically, my friend is on his way to come pick me up. He should be here in about 15 to 20 minutes. Today's Wednesday, and every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, my friend Chris and I, we do a morning workout at the beach. We do a lot of sprints and agility drills, and we long toss. I do this workout fasted. I don't eat breakfast. I eat breakfast after this workout. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So right now, we're at the beach. Yo, this man says it's cold. Wait, let me know. I didn't even bring shoes. Hold up. I didn't even bring shoes right now. Is that sus? Is that sus? Let me know. I'm not even wearing shoes right now. Let me know if that's sus. I'll bring shoes next time. But we're about to go throw and go hit a speed and agility workout. We're at the beach right now. Early morning. Let's go. So now I go, we're gonna throw soon. I'm pretty warmed up now. And I do 3 or 4 sprints before I throw, just to work on that agility and speed. I'm throwing this one hard, bro. Whew. Bro, I almost hit those people. I think it's time to call it a day with throwing.
That's gonna be you right there.
Where?
Right there. Oh, that's my head right there.
Yeah, so we just finished that workout. Hello, Mike. We just finished up that workout, and we got some good throwing in. We long tossed, and then now I'm gonna go home, get my classes over with, and then home run derby at 4 p.m. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, I swear, this is the worst when your car is parked on the side of a busy highway. Oh, all right, I have room. Your car is parked in the middle of a busy highway. You can't get in the driver's seat. All right, so we are back home. I had a great beach workout today. And there's something, because I only got about 3 hours of sleep last night. So I want to share with you guys a little trick of mine that like you will not get tired. So number one, when you first wake up, that's a mindset. If you only focus on the negative things like, oh, I'm so tired right now, I should be sleeping, blah, 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 then that's how your day is going to act out. Me, when I wake up and I know I got very little sleep, but I have a lot of work to do, you got to focus on the positives. And that's just like a little background, but the real trick is when I get home, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I wake up at 6 a.m. When I get home from the workout, this is my trick. When I'm done eating breakfast, I drink 2 cups of coffee really fast, and then I go straight to sleep. And what this does is caffeine takes about 15 to 20 minutes to kick in. So if I go to sleep right after I drink it, I take about a 30-minute nap, kicks in, and when I wake up, I feel fresh. I feel so like I just slept for 12 hours. I'm like ready to go. And so that's what I usually do. Then I do all my classes. We're probably gonna take a couple rounds and then probably do a home run derby. So that should be fun. And then I also have a workout later. I usually work out after I go to the field because I like to be fresh. So again, that's my trick. 2 cups of black coffee and then go straight to sleep. If you're tired, go straight to sleep. You'll wake up. Sometimes if I'm really tired, I'll wake up after like an hour. But I'm telling you, once the caffeine kicks in, you will feel fresh. You just took a power nap and you're ready to go. So let's get on with the day. I'm cooking up breakfast right now. So I just finished eating breakfast, and today I have a schedule. So every week, every Sunday night, I make a schedule of my week. And as you can see, the beginning of my weeks are usually more busy, and it gets less and less of a workload by the end of the week. And I highly recommend you guys make a schedule for yourselves. It makes life 10 times easier. It really allows me to see exactly what I need to get done day by day. I highly, highly recommend you make a schedule for yourselves at the start of every week. It makes everything so much easier. And then now I'm just going to study for a couple hours. I have a stress analysis exam at noon till 1 p.m. So I'm going to study for that for a couple hours. And I'll catch you guys after the test. I just finished up my classes and I finished up my stress analysis test. So it's 3:45 p.m. I'm now headed to go meet all the boys at the baseball field. We're gonna hit a little bit on the field. We're gonna have a good time. And I also wanted to say, because I forgot to say this at the beginning of the video, I am not at school right now. I am back home in Florida, in case you didn't know. I mean, it's probably pretty obvious. But I'm back home in Florida, and I'm driving right now. Lost my train of thought. Fucking it. I'm back down in Florida, and this is not my normal schedule. Because of COVID and the quarantining and all that, my school and so did all the other kids' colleges, they shut down the 2 weeks in between Thanksgiving and Christmas break. So that's why I'm back home. But you know, just because I'm back home, it doesn't mean I get to slack off and not train. That just means I train harder than normal. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're at the field. I'm gonna make a dope little edit of the hitting. So I'm back.
Hours, y'all already know what's going on. You feel me?
We just got to the field. We're meeting our 2 friends, and yeah, we're about to go hit some tanks. Did you? Oh, I gassed him up. Literally, all I did was that. All right, so now I'm gonna have you guys meet the guys or meet the boys. This is Chris Fernandez. What school do you go to, and what year are you graduating?
I go to Felicia University and I graduate in 2022.
Okay, he's a junior. And what position?
Outfield.
Outfield. All right. Danny FARINAS is up next. What school do you go to, and what year do you graduate?
I go to Paris Community College.
Okay.
I'm not gonna graduate because I'm getting drafted.
Okay, I like that. All right. Jack Hay's up next. Oh, and what position do you play?
I'm a PO. You already know what it is.
PO, yes, sir. Jack Hayes up next. School, and what year do you graduate?
I go to Andrew College, and I don't plan to graduate from there. I plan to be a Hall of Fame baseball player.
Yes, sir. And what position?
Play anywhere.
All right, so yeah, that's who we're hitting with today. I'll get some of our rounds on record, and let's get this money. That's gone. Look at that. He's a PO. Mr. Fernandez is up. Didn't even look to see where the ball went.
Cow ball.
Boom! Called it. That actually, that's holy. Alright, I don't know if that came out on camera. That was over the trees. That just cleared the trees.
Get out. Oh my God.
So this round, we're going swing for swing. So basically, you get a good hit or home run, you stay. You mess up, you're out. Yes, sir. All right, Chris is up. That's gone. That's, holy crap, bro. That's over the trees again. Jeez. Holy crap. That might hit scoreboard. Dang, almost. All right, Danny FARINAS is up.
Man is about to go up. The guap, man. That is the guap.
Absolutely unit at the dish.
Yo, keep it down over there. Yo, that ball's hit hard. That ball's hit hard. Yo, that ball was hit hard, but unfortunately, since the rules are how they are, he does not get to go on.
Round two. One hopper.
Can it be done by the Guapo? And there's one.
Yeah, are we gonna hype it up?
We gonna give it to him because he also uses
What a douchebag. Look at this kid.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, my phone actually ran out of battery while, like, literally right before I got to the gym, because I was using it all day recording and I wasn't charging it all day. So unfortunately, I did not get my workout on record. But if you do want to see some of my workouts, you click right there, put my gym workouts playlist there. It'll I have a ton of playlists on my channel, so if you guys want to check out workout playlists, you can check those out. Gym workouts, and then I also have an at-home workout series, which is fully calisthenics, no equipment needed. I have some recipe videos, I have motivational videos, about me videos. I have subscriber question videos. So you guys, feel free to go check out my playlist. If you found this video entertaining, motivating, whatever it may be, if you just enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you're generous, even consider subscribing. Up to you. But you know, again, and guys, we hit 200 subs. We hit 200 subs. Let's go. This is just a start. I'm telling you guys, this is just a start. I'm very excited for what's to come. And huge shout out for Chris Fernandez, Danny FARINAS, and Jack Hay. Hey ladies, you wanna go hit them up? Their Instagram links will be in the description. Again, thank you all for watching. I really hope this motivated you guys to keep working harder. Doesn't matter what life throws at you, just keep working hard and the results will come. That is all for today's video, and stay tuned. I have a 200 subscriber special coming. It's gonna be a Q&A with me. So yeah, get ready for that. I have a lot of cool videos coming. That's all for today's video. Bang bang, Guapo gang, we out.